Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. So, do you want to know about Frowny's reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and then get to know about the full details of this site. So now we'll talk about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products do they offer. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with skincare products. They offer face wash, moisturizer, eye creams, gels, then wrinkle patches and many other skincare related products. So if you want to check out these items, you have to visit to their official site. So next we are going to check their payment option. For that you have to scroll it down. So this website accepts Amex, Discover, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa and so on. Now let's go to their shipping policy. So you have to click in domestic shipping policy. But here they haven't given the shipping timing. They've only mentioned that delivery options are determined by your shipping zip code and delivery times are calculated during checkout. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now if you want to know about their domain information, this website was registered on 13th of June 1997 and it is going to expire on 12th of June 2022, which means this website is a very old website and hence it can be trusted. Now if you want to know about their about us details, go to the history and then click on our story. So here they've given the details about their brand, as you can see. Also, they have given about their founder identity and about their company. So this is a good sign. And they've also mentioned their business establishment here as well. So this is also a good sign of this website. So now if you want to know about the contact details, go to the contact us page section. So here they've given the email address and the contact number. So the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. And the contact number is also genuine. Now, if you want to know about their physical address, you can go to the privacy policy page section, scroll it down till the end. And here they've given the contact information. So they've given the postal address and their postal address is totally genuine. We have checked out by ourselves. Also, you can check it. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, so this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram. And we have checked the amount of followers as well. So on Instagram, it has over 50,000 followers and on Facebook, it has over 20,000 followers. So this is also a good sign. So now if you want to know about their return and refund policy, well, this website does not have any return or refund policy page section. Also, we have checked in other places. There is no policy. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Frowny's reviews, we have found reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.1 rating. And it seems like all the reviews are positive, but there are 1 or 2 negative reviews as well. Now about the TrustNext score. So this website's TrustNext score is 86% and the business trust ranking is 75.8%, which is very good. Also, the content quality seems fine. So in the conclusion of the Frowny's reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. It is a very old website. It has got reviews and social media presence. Also, they have given their full and genuine contact details and the trust score is very good. So it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.